been happening. I forgot all these things. Yeah. Well, that's amazing. Are you Christian? Sorry. I, I might not. I dare not ask. Should I? What are your political views? If you have any political views, like, do you like your prime minister or conservative? Dude, did you see the meeting with him and Trump? I know. How do you think we feel too? I was never political, never, until the past 2 years. My brother, sadly, he was an addict for a long time, like over 15 years, an addict. He went and picked up something and it was fentanyl. And he got poisoned and didn't know. And my dad found him on the floor. We lost my brother. He was 37 2 years ago to fentanyl. And then my mom would be coming home cursing, the blueberries are so expensive, the gas is so expensive. I'm like, I never see my mom curse over blueberries or the gas. And then when Trump and Biden had the debate, he said Social Security, he's destroying Social Security. And I'm like, oh, it clicked now. Like, my Social Security has been affected because I'm disabled. I literally can't work physically anymore. I have a fused spine, scoliosis, like severe curvatures. Like, it deteriorates every year. It's slowly collapsing. It's been fused for 25 years. And almost my house got broken into 4 months ago. Oh, someone almost broke into it 4 months ago. It sounded like someone was like trying to force into my home. And then right like 30 seconds, a minute later, a helicopter flew over. I didn't sleep that day. Like, I'm scared. Like, genuinely, like, people really don't realize, like, are you really fighting to keep criminals here from other countries? What are you gonna be happy and smiling and enjoying it if they came in, broke into your house and doing God knows what to you and then deleting you? Would you really genuinely be like, I don't understand people and why they can't see it. I'm genuinely, I fear for my life because of these criminals. They just come on in. And they're getting more money than I am a month. People that came here like the past 3 years. It's frustrating. And people don't realize